Gonna roll the dice, higher or lower.
Alright. Fire?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Alright, I'll go first.
You go first. Mall.
So you're still looking at probably
Just get in there. I was gonna do this submission.
Good luck. It's an AK hand.
I was gonna say that you try this new league.
Dom, can you see my hand?
Yeah. Not fully, but I can't see.
The glare?
No, I can't see his hand.
Oh, you can't say mine?
If you put
want me to
it
lean
above
forward?
your leader, the camera sees it,
Like that?
and then you'll be able to watch the replay.
115, 125.
Yeah.
Vaporeon.
So like if I keep it there, you can see it, yeah?
Yeah, I mean not
Okay.
fully, but you'll be able to understand because it's your card.
Yeah, okay.
So you're like half the card. the top
Yeah.
half.
Cool, alright. Yeah, I shouldn't have rolled.
Is it worse?
It's way worse.
Oh no.
Okay. And my turn?
Fast save?
Yep.
That's good.
Yeah. I'm an idiot.
And then I draw. Fast save?
Alright. Now.
Just leave it with But they can get some of these out.
Yeah, they can get some of that out.
So yeah, use these tags for these.
Yeah, no, obviously. They've still got mark rating. Everyone wants the illusions.
When you sleeve the let me know. So you open
Go for
this.
7 that way.
Life, I'll take that. No trigger.
And I pass.
But yeah, can you help him sleeve them? Well, do you put him in the back in there? Move the sleeve on. Yeah, whatever you
I'll
want.
do 5 to your lead, -1 per owner. Trash that.
No trigger. Yeah.
So for 4, I'll play Rebecca. So Rebecca, let me take back a character that is cost 3 to 7. I'll take a character back. Then I'll play 3 or less card from my hand. I'll play Profess Rested per and then I pass it.
So Brooke's ability is on play or attack -1, and then if there's 0 KO, yeah. Tap 4 and play bar.
I do like that they did give me card if they didn't get number from an 83 of 82.
Yeah.
Swing 6 of 1.
Nah, this is actually good, mate. This could actually. 7 minutes.
Plus 10.
Yeah, that's right.
It's a big one. Still probably
For one of ice H more becomes 0.
Bob was sleeping well for ages, and then the last 2 weeks,
I'll just
16 days. Now, so
I'll just swing with Brook to your lead, KO that one.
Yep.
Then I will swing 5 to your lead.
first.
Oh my.
how far are we?
I told her when the baby comes, I said, I'll take 3 months off work, but you have to take everything, and I'll make sure you don't go to work first
And then for 5, I will play. Draw to choice. I've done it the other way around.
Is that his only unplay? It's just draw 2 trash to track our call and block it on 6 day.
But I ended up taking 2 months off of this. This is just when my work moved into a station.
1. Plus 10.
Yeah. It's cesarean now, you get 7 weeks off through sick leave. They give you a medical yes. Yep. Which I think is really good.
How many cards in there?
5.
Kelly just started 2 weeks ago, and it went from like she's not moving at all to now she's like
Play a law, then bounce law, bounce Brook back down.
You want to sell the Charizard?
Swing and 1, 7, and leader ability. Wrong card.
No, that's a I'll block.
Yeah, it wasn't the 7 box.
I do find it
And then plus 10.
Yeah, plus 10.
Five life. Crash 2. Fight 2.
Oh, 5
Yeah,
to the
well.
leader.
Okay. I'll do 16.
I remember my dad stuff that. He promised if I didn't buy him work, he'd get me Pokemon cards when Fossil was out. Anyway, no one had Fossil. Yeah. But he did. In the TV, that Fossil. Take off their first edition.
For 5, I'll just delete character.
Yeah.
3,
I think I traded for
plus 5 cards in me.
Yeah.
I'll give you this. I remember dancing all the way home because like I traded for the years for like an avatar. I picked up a card. And you know, at 12 years old. But I didn't even offer him a deal. He was like, I will give you, like, I didn't try to be like, you know, give me that. He's like, I will trade you this. I was like, yeah.
Why not?
Rip yourself.
Oh, it's a beautiful card. I've always liked the base stuff.
You know what I'm definitely missing on the course? I think I started chasing one up and then I just let it go. It's one of those.
But I wouldn't let it go. It's done my city. We needed a change.
Oh, sorry, it's revealed.
Okay.
Like he's.
What's that?
Was it? Long one kicked 100 goals in the second.
Yeah, right there. It's a bit before my time, but I do like it. That's a real stats colour.
Yeah.
I remember
Yeah, and he was 19. And then he got dropped a year after. Yeah.
He's still Jesus, but it was happening I had
And you get to attach one resident onto.
Oh, yeah. Check on their feet.
no.
That's Brook again.
You hate this brook. Oh my.
And then swing 6 into solo.
6 to solo. You know what? Okay. There goes the brook. Alright, there you pass.
Yeah, and then
I love those.
I've got a guy at work who's come over, and I think he's come over the other one time. He showed me those again. But like,
Do 6 to your lead, minus 1 more, cash 2.
We can start off by scanning the QR code, and then all you have to do is really just annotate them and fill in the.
Then I'll play 7. I'll rest Jack Google. Draw 1 fresh one. And then choose one slot. Do 7 to your lead. Okay, great. Two's in the trash.
Weevil.
Yep.
Roll one.
Seven to life, I'll take. Matrix.
I pass.
Plus. I'll just go 5 to your lead, minus 1 to...
2 Weevil. Yep.
Just 2. There goes the other Gecko.
You don't have a full set?
Sorry?
Is there a full set or just 3?
Just 3.
Oh shit, so they're all in the trash.
Yeah, 3 all trash.
Okay. Nice.
No.
I mean, it's good for me. So minus 1 Weevil and was it 5 to lead off?
5, yeah, 5 to lead off.
And then you just put in like the last time. It tells you when it arrived up here, so where it is. The right and then you get the building.
No trigger.
It's pretty It's pretty cool.
Parts of hand 6, yeah. I'll do... For 1, I'll just use 10% kick on that one, so it's minus 3. And since my trash is more than 10, I draw 1 card. I'll do... So this one's the 3, this one's the 1. I will do 60 elite. 17. Tata. Yes, I just drew that.
Oh.
Yeah. So I play Gecko for... I'll be playing Becca. It's not. Nah, I don't have any illusion. I'll just play Becca to get the book. And then Brook will be more play Skacker. And then KO the one lost. And then I will rest Jack to KO the other one, since it's a cost of 3. Then I draw 1, I trash 1. Okay, and then that is my turn.
Okay.
5 cards in there. Yep.
Ability. Swing for 7, leader ability.
To my leader.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
I'll block that.
Okay. And play while rested.
Oh, actually, yeah, you have to resolve the ability first. You can actually bounce this back to my hand if you wanted to.
Sorry?
Your effect, you can use the effect first before actually block.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you can bounce either Brook or this one to my hand, 4 or less.
Yeah, I was going to bounce the Brook.
Bounce the Brook, and then you bounce that one on your head, and then we'll.
Weasel down.
Yep.
And, 5 at life.
Not alive.
Yeah, that pass.
Three cards in hand, yeah? You want to say more? I go 19. Go 18.
Okay, GG. Yeah, shit hand with this deck. I made a few mistakes too, but shit hand.
Yeah.
It's a big difference. If you can't get your game off early.
What was your first hand? You said that you shouldn't.
I had a couple of buggies in my hand. I should have just kept it, but I thought, yeah.
Then what did you get on your second hand?
It was all 4 costs, like I had weevils, crocodiles,
Okay.
bowls.
Yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah,
It's okay, but I didn't get any Jinbeis the whole game.
Oh, really?
I didn't get a single.
Yeah, true.
I didn't get a single Jinbei. Without Jinbei, it's.
And then there's no searches as well. You got the.
I had a Perona on my second turn.
But then there's no Gimko. Yeah.
No Jinbei.
Gimko.
Yeah. Last game I had all 4.
There goes the luck. Lucky.
So yeah, it's all good.
Well, I
didn't understand your deck fully as well. Like how to play it, it was like making me really nervous. I was like, fuck, I don't know what I'm doing against it.
Yeah, it's more favor removal, especially this one is the best.
Yeah.
You know the effect jack, yeah?
No.
So it's good with the my leader.
Oh, you could rest him for 1, trash 1. Yeah, okay.
So
if you set it all up nicely, like you did,
yeah,
it's really powerful.
I'm supposed to go first. This is good at first because I can play it on my turn 4.
Yeah.
4. The attack with the leader, -1 to any of your character. Rest it, cater one of them.
Yeah, okay.
I can do it every single time after that.
Yeah.
You don't hit it.
That's sick.
Yeah, that is good. That's good. So even though your characters are like standing up or anything like that, I can always remove them.
Yeah, I know. That's the crazy thing about black, man. It scares me.
I've got this on my hand as well. This is just a good tech card. I didn't use it, but it's just good for fireball pro. But you keep bouncing it back, maybe. So,
Okay, yeah.
so it's rest at -2, and then Lucci use the ability
Yep.
and minus with Brook to KO something.
I was practicing with Sloggett the other night. He was playing Lucci. Like, he's just got a bunch of proxies he printed, so we're playing with those.
It's so good.
Yeah,
It's so good. Lucci is definitely. Oh well, I don't think it's gonna be good now.
In OP10.
OP10, no one uses Lucci. I don't know though. I don't know. We'll see what happens.
I did notice Dopey's still there, but they're going to announce bans soon.
Yeah,
as well,
that's what I'm saying. There will be ban list soon. So
considering there was nothing to counter Dopey and OP10 is still dominating, surely they must be banning something.
To be honest, I thought Usopp's going to be countering Dopey because it can attack. If you have a policy, it can attack the turn you summon your characters, like a pseudo rush.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, but I guess not. I don't know. How are you finding Dopey so far?
I'm finally starting to understand it now.
Yeah.
So, like I was missing certain sequences, so I had to do a bit of research. Like, you know, just thinking ahead to do like, for example, you can do law, then bounce him back, then do teacher's effect, chuck him on top, and then leader effect, bounce 2 cards.
That's it.
Stuff like that. Just I've still got more of those to learn. You know, like there's probably more that I'm missing. Like even you pointed out before, don't forget to attach 2 dons.
Yeah, we always utilize like you know if you think you can win or going to be losing, especially with black yellow.
Yeah.
Luffy. Yeah, just go all in.
Yeah.
They have no life.
Yeah, the life manipulation guys are annoying.
Yeah, like the Enel.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the most annoying one.
Yeah.
And they're also annoying. You want to play? I don't know if you want to play one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking I can use my Dopey deck.
Oh sure. Yeah.
Yeah,
Mirror match.
Mirror match. All right.
Yeah, I don't get sick of playing, man. So. You know, I'm still new to it. So.
Especially we're only like every Thursday. So do you play anywhere else?
No. I just like Lee lives near my house, so I went around to his on Tuesday and we played all night. But,
You did well today though.
yeah, I feel like just watching a lot of videos and practicing. I'm learning the game and the deck at the same time.
That's When I first joined, I play a lot of Zoro because that's the easiest one to play. It's so good.
It's fun too.
It's so fun.
Yeah.
You just hit live.
Yeah.
It's so annoying.
You get used to rush decks, right?
Yeah.
Like it does feel frustrating to have to wait a turn.
I know. That's it. Alright, it's alright. I mean, we'll count it ourselves. It's up to you. You want to go first or second?
I went first before, did I?
It's up to you. You can go first again if you want to. Second.
Sure.
Up to you.
I'll go first. You sure you don't want to go first?
I'm still learning as well.
I actually don't know what's better. I'll keep that.
I'll keep this one.
Alright, I'll go first.
Yeah.
Pass.
Neutral. I play Sengoku. 1, 2, 3, 5. I'll take it. And then your turn.
Turn and play teach.
Yep.
And I'll use his ability, which will top my deck. Attach 2 diamond to Dofi, swing for 7 at life, and activate leader ability. So I play this out before you count. I don't
yeah,
understand.
actually, yeah.
Is that how it's supposed to?
Correct,
go?
yeah. So you resolve the effect first if you have one,
Okay.
or I actually take
So I
one.
play him rested. It's Weevil.
Okay. And then I will take this. There you passed it.
Oh yeah, then it must go ahead.
No. Oh, we're done. It's just a rematch now.
Oh, did you register?
I haven't. Actually, I forgot to. I have to draw. You have 3 cards on hand. Two, I play teach. And then use teach ability. So this catch 2 ones. Yeah, I'll go 7 to Jinbei and play that. And then play this law ability. So, law ability of bounce back Sengoku. Bounce that back to him.
Nice.
And then for 1, I'll play Sengoku. I'll take the Gimko. And pasta. Then you attach 1 gun to you.
Yeah. I'll chuck that.
15, huh?
And then I'll use teacher's
Oh,
ability.
yep, I'll give you the other one.
Sorry, activate leader ability. So, bring out law. Bounce teach and bounce your law.
That's my law. Okay.
This feels weird. Then end my turn. I guess it's strange now because instead of being full aggro, you've got to attack board as well. Now.
Yeah, that's right. Alright, so for 4, I'll play Jinbei tomorrow. So, Boa, knock 3. And then attach 1 Teach Ability. I'll swing 8 to
Oh, you moved it to the middle.
your leader, but I'll use the effect first. Bounce back the ball. And then I'll bounce, sorry, I'll bounce back this one, then the ball.
Yep.
And then that's 8,000.
8 to lead.
8 to leader.
Take.
And then once again, I'll just
Are you right-handed or left-handed? You're right.
The sleeves look like they just slide easily. These ones are like very sticky to
Yeah.
touch. Like it's even hard to shop out.
So I'll take a Jinbei.
In all the Jinbeis.
Yeah. Alright, and then that's my turn.
Oh, we know they're going to be some. They're going to be 10.
No, I think all was told me.
Yeah. That's fine. Oh, yeah.
But not the base. The dark.
Oh, I can see the scratch.
The dark.
The back's pretty yeah.
Alright. Take my Jinbei back.
Now that
Just look at
To
I do like the
30,
keys, so when they get something big, I can
swing. Swing out all. And then leader ability.
Okay.
When I really look at some of these cards, it's like, yeah, you can see they've got like little dents in it. They're a bit like,
Oh, they do.
I mean, they're in good nick. I mean the ones I haven't seen.
I'm arrested.
Oh, you've got 2 last stories.
I'll block.
Count was 50, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's not how I wanted to play that at all. I forgot I didn't have to teach out anymore. I was going to try and bounce again. That's okay. Yeah, pass.
Oh, you're not attacking with your law? That's up to you. I mean, if you attack, I'll swing.
Yeah, that's the thing. That's kind of all I've got at the moment, and then you can swing at him already. Yeah, no. Exactly. But
Okay. Stand. 2 ones. Draw.
Big dog.
Yep.
Bro, you're able to book this out because Alex is about to run.
Oh, yep.
You're going to be late. I think you're going to be just late, Alex.
So is that for you, is it?
Yeah.
I'll do 5 to your more.
1, 2, 1. Should be middle of the round.
17.
1 lost 2. Yeah. Lost 3, 1.
I'll sort the scores out. No.
Dash.
F5.
I am. Replace this one with law. bounce this ball back.
Rankings.
No, sorry, I'll change that. I'll bounce the ball back.
You're 6,
Then
Alex.
bounce
Let me see what 6 is.
lob back to you.
There's 8 players, yeah? 8 players.
And then I have 2.
Yeah, 1.
I go teachability. I'll do 7 to your
Can I get
leader.
the 2 legends instead?
If you want, yeah.
Is that alright?
Yeah.
And then play this as rested.
Take that.
And then I will play. I
Hope I didn't hand you a
trash this. Play Burrito. So draw 1 card. And then I will swing 7 to your leader.
Yeah,
that's
this is
Yep, and then I pass my turn.
I'll let you know if I get any pulls. Need to go.
Thank you. What am I doing now?
Pricing.
Thanks, Tom.
Thanks.
See you, Alex.
Three, 4. Come out the way I want. I'll do 2 photos, something amazing. There's 5, isn't there?
If you do 5, you can 3 photos. Probably takes us whenever we get the beam scoring, just to show that it's
Daddy Shanks. You want Lucci? You want Lucci?
Oh yeah, are you making cheese?
No.
Wait, cheese is down low? Because, yeah, it's like
Oh,
I was going to look at it. I was going to look at it. Yeah. I don't know, it's just like us. They don't sleep
Swing for 7 at your lore.
basically inherited out.
Ability. Oh, sorry, I forgot to put my card down. Teach
Oh, yeah,
ability
yeah,
as well.
What I'm doing now is
You can just play it now.
Sorry?
Just play it now.
So yeah, play that rested, bounce it, and
We bounce it.
I'll send you the photo.
I'll bounce your weevil. Yeah.
So you hold your cards with your eyes.
6 at Jinbei. General and 9.
And then 1 active one.
Fuck that up. I was gonna go 5-5-5.
Oh, okay. Then you realize you just played those cards.
Then I realized I used my dollar.
Oh,
You know
so
what
that's
I mean?
alright. Which one do you want to go? Oh, like
No,
five,
it's
five.
fine.
Okay, yeah.
No, it's okay. So yeah, I'll just go 6 again. Jimbo.
Oh no, that you just played.
Oh,
that
I just
one.
played that one.
Yeah.
Let me know when you finish that game.
Did I play? I played Jimbo into Boa.
Yeah, to
sorry.
Boa.
No.
Glad, let me know when you finish that one.
Oh, this is just a friendly match.
Yeah, that's fine. Since we're recording.
Okay, sure.
Play my turn.
I thought you were gonna be playing like a searcher or something like that, like Corona.
I don't know.
Sure. Cool, let's do this.
3.
5-2 Mora.
2.
Oh, actually, sorry. Can I
Yeah, it's alright.
just block?
Yeah, sure. That's fine. Yeah, and then 5-2 Mora. Five to yeah, 5 to your lead. Yep. 6. Wait, Josu will bounce back.
Yeah, what do you like to? That's the last one.
My Jinbei, and then I'll bounce back your Honka. And then for 4, I'll play Jinbei to Weevil, I draw. And then I pass turn.
Should just be sweet.
That's alright. It's all bouncing back to the hand.
Vlad, that's you.
Thank you.
Burrito, that's you. That's you.
Thank you very much.
Remy is third, Josh is second.
We'll just see what.
Sorry, not second. Fourth. Slogger is fifth.
So we got the latest with this is like from the last season.
I don't know.
This one you just recently gave you?
Yeah, they sent. I have because they're sending me more stuff.
Oh shit, okay. So this is like from the last episode. It's alright.
But yeah, next week I'll have a batch of
Okay.
whatever the hell I don't know what they're sending.
I can't remember what we're doing.
Jace.
Oh, okay, I just
I'll take theirs over this.
I think I passed my
That's
no actually
Hammy and Josh.
I put everything
Oh,
back to the hand.
it's my turn now.
Sorry, Jason on top.
Yeah, I've just
Okay,
I just got to
You and
10
Hammy
down.
both got the same.
And I have to draw a card. Yes.
And I get a pack.
Can I swap you with this one on the latest thing in the next week? This is
I'll
like
see if I got the other. Like, no, I don't. Because we used it all, didn't we?
I don't know because this is like I'm after the new latest one. Same one that Hami got. Oh, what's that? You have a loop?
Yep.
Oh, okay, cool.
I just didn't have all the event cards, so I added what I could from the start of it.
That's alright. So who are we going to be returning
So,
to?
no, I'm going to get rid of Weevil. Oh.
Oh, you can still use the raw ability as well. So
Oh, yeah,
that-
she's got the
yeah,
dog
that's
as well.
yeah.
Ability sometimes. Enormous teacher's ability.
Yep.
Leader again. Swing for 8 at life.
8 at life.
And then activate leader ability. Yeah, law rested. Bounce teach. And bounce jersey.
Oh, only 4.
Oh, sorry. Bounce. Oh. Bounce your wall.
Law? Okay. Oh shit, yeah.
Is that the window?
That's me.
Hang on. Where is he?
I mean, I already opened it.
So,
Can I purchase this all?
do you want to just have them both? All good.
Oh, thank you.
Sure?
Yeah.
Oh, so you got it. That's the one. Yeah, then they'll send you another
Now
one.
they sent me a batch of random stuff.
Then you have 3 dons left. This can swing, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to go 8 into life. Oh, sorry, 7 into life.
7 to life. I will. So I'll take it. Okay, you just played that one.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Okay.
Oh, the deck box
pass.
anywhere there. Is that, oh, that one, is it? Yep.
I will.
Got all this stuff in the back, but I don't know what it is. Oh, yeah.
Play this. Play Jimbo for 1.
I didn't know I had so many AA.
Play law, bounce that.
Oh, more rules.
7 to this law. Seven to Jimbo.
There's still like prices are being sorted. I'll do like that.
I'll do 6 to leader. Seven to your leader, rest 1. I don't know what this is. It is a perfume. So,
So 7, was it?
7, yes. Yep, and then pass.
Draws Will Kennedy and sets up Peter Strange to score 3. Started in there, only speed of play weeks on the side here, running around the guys. Just off the set there, beat Jesse Raney on the inside. He'll be the number 1 to start the year for sure. With the Kennedy Rangers, they had 40 from fullbacks last year. Kyle Weeks played 8 games at the back. I'm sure if he plays like that, he'll be at the number 1 for most of the season.
Yep.
swing.
months and then
Leader ability.
last week or so.
Yep.
Do you remember when I said I came here and I had no voice?
Yeah.
I was still feeling good in the cuts. That was part of like I just got.
Is yours like going
Yep.
across this way?
It used to really be painful way down here, so
Like all the time, or just pop up?
no, it was
I
all the
don't
time.
know.
But yeah, that's
I
not
didn't see
painful.
you already said the same. I forgot I played for Rome. I was getting tired.
So you swing for 8,
Yes, we guys.
2 2
I get
Ks.
to play
And then you have how many dons left?
It's like
Playing.
And play wheel.
Okay, pretty good.
just did a whole test getting they got the results today and they're like, oh, you come in and run and try to
And then last side.
doing some frequent to see example.
So you have 1 card in hand.
Well, I've got 91 ways.
So they're drawing. 7
I've had ulcers, I've had polyps,
9 life.
Also completely off, but even very healthy people. So that's just like those are good friends.
11 life.
That's it.
Yep.
They don't cause health issues.
Oh, that was exhausting.
I know. Imagine like the tournaments. Like it's all like this mirror.
Yeah.
All flamingo mirror. It's so confusing.
Yeah. It's just.
You're gonna get tired.
Yeah, it's a lot to process. Like, is this what it's like to play my deck? To be against this?